Welcome to today's Japanese tiny house tour. In this video, we will explore a stunning Japanese tiny house design with a unique Japanese industrial concept. This home blends raw, modern aesthetic with the warmth of Japanese minimalism, creating a compact living space that feels both stylish and also functional. As you step inside this Japanese tiny house, you are immediately greeted by a spacious central area with wide and tall openings. These expansive glass panels bring in an abundance of natural light and allow the living space to feel bright and connected to the outdoors. The high ceilings, combined with industrial style finishes, give this Japanese tiny house a bold yet airy atmosphere. In the center of this Japanese tiny house, you will find a practical mini pantry. This small but efficient feature makes the open plan living space even more functional, allowing for easy meal prep without sacrificing valuable space. The mini pantry fits seamlessly into the Japanese industrial design, keeping the interior minimal yet purposeful. Another unique detail of the Japanese tiny house is the use of wooden slat screen or lattice panels placed at the entrance and in the central living area. These screens provide subtle separation without fully closing off the space, allowing air and light to flow naturally. The lattice detail not only enhances the aesthetic of the Japanese tiny house but also adds texture and depth to the overall industrial-inspired design. Above the bathroom and toilet area, this Japanese tiny house features a loft bed that is surprisingly spacious. The loft bed sleeping area provides privacy while still feeling connected to the main living space below. This clever use of vertical space allows the Japanese tiny house to maximize its compact footprint while offering comfort and functionality. One of the most striking architectural features of this Japanese tiny house is its dual roof system. The home has two roof elevations, one for the central living space and another for the loft area. This variation in roof height creates visual interest from the outside while also improving the interior flow of light and air. The elevated roof over the living space emphasizes openness, while the lower roof above the loft bed creates a sense of coziness. Together, these two roof lines define the character of the Japanese tiny house and make it stand out as both practical and beautiful. Every element of this Japanese tiny house has been carefully considered, from the industrial-inspired open plan layout to the functional mini pantry, the stellar screen, the loft bed, and the dual roof structure. It is a perfect example of how a compact home can embody both modern industrial style and also the traditional Japanese values of simplicity and also the balance. If you are interested in small space design, industrial style architecture, or simply curious about innovative housing concept, this Japanese tiny house will inspire you. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see all the thoughtful details that make this home so unique.